The furnace is set up with the crucible placed in the middle and surrounded by charcoal. Today, we will be casting a model of Darth Vader out of aluminum. First, the plaster molds are made. It is important to ensure they dry properly to prevent cracking or exploding of the mold. Thus, the molds were left to dry overnight. The furnace setup is rather simple. We used a charcoal fire in the metal bucket to melt the aluminum in the crucible. In order to increase the heat output, air is pumped into the coals through a hole made in the bucket. This is accomplished by using a hairdryer taped to a pipe that attaches to the hole in the bucket. Next, when the crucible is properly heated, aluminum cans are placed carefully inside the crucible. The temperature must be over 1,221 degrees Fahrenheit to melt aluminum. When aluminum is melted, a large amount of slag is formed that needs to be removed. To achieve this, the aluminum is poured into a container and the slag is scraped off the top, forming ingots. Ingots are solid pieces of relatively pure metal used for further processing.
Oh wait, there's some. Hey, can you bring that thing over here? This? Yeah, pull the slag piece out right in front. Pull that out. Here we go.
The pure aluminum is then melted once again to prepare it for pouring into the mold. It takes a little longer to melt a solid piece of aluminum.
Melt because it's not really touching the base of it, you know what I mean? Yeah, getting more video of this would be fine.
The molten aluminum is then poured into a die and left to cool down. The aluminum is bubbling, so it has to be done with caution.
It's bubbling.
Keep going, keep going.
That's it, that's everything. Okay, stand back.
That took all of our aluminum. Did it fill up enough of the mold?
The part is formed and can further be processed and polished.
I mean, you can always remelt it down and try it in small.
Impressive. Most impressive.